lost our condition. Alright, well, it was fun while it lasted. Yep. Still got a dot there. I'm going to go make a hold here and wait for that condition to come back and see if this gun will sit for a minute. We'll try right about in there. Maybe a hair lower than I'm used to, but I think it'll rise just a little bit after setting. Let's find out. Still got condition. Slight condition. Should have done this before shooting them last two because we had condition on both of them. This is what we're talking about. We're testing a build. I'm not testing my wind shooting ability. I'm just waiting for the exact same condition to come back. See if we can get repeatable results. That's what we're looking for in the rifle. And it's starting to come around. Just got a slight push on number 1 flag and I can't get it to stop. It was good for a while. Alright. Still got condition. We'll just wait. We may have just lost the conditions for the evening. They may get scarce in between. You know how it goes. Well, crying out loud. It's wearing on my patience. We've definitely sit here, what, a minute and 15-20 seconds. Well, they just ain't returning. I got a slight push from number 1 to the right, but the other ones are still, so let's see. Well, that slight push to the right, that's where it should have went, so after sitting for almost 2 full minutes, I'd say around 2. I have to go back and time it. It hit right where it should have went. Anyway, we'll go back to this next bull and we'll wait for the condition to come back if it will. If it takes that long, we'll probably go ahead and wrap it up. Anyway, I may not show this video, or may not, I don't know. But this is what we're talking about when we're testing a build. We're not trying to test our shooting ability, we're trying to see if we get repeatability, if the rifle will do the same thing. especially after it waits. So we're waiting again, but I think we've lost our conditions for the day on the testing. But I'm sitting here waiting on my flags, and I'm looking down at that row right below it. That was definitely a pretty row right there. I've been tweaking the tune, and I took it out when I first started shooting and filed it in. I checked a couple different spots pretty close. That #1 flag is still there. Anyway, and I tried turn out and turn in, a few clicks here and there. I'm back to where I originally thought it shot pretty good. That #1 flag is still holding to the right. So if we done what I would do, I'd pull it over to there, and now I got, well, let's go ahead and shoot it. How about that, boys and girls? How you like that hold? Anyway, I do like the fact that it sit there and held and waited. Kind of boring if you're watching a video, I know that. We still got conditions, so I'm going to make that hold, and we're going to try to get through this row right here. And oh, okay. Now right now, if it'll stay there, everything's returned back, so I'm going to inch it back over a little bit. Now the flags down range are starting to twist and turn, so it ain't stable. They're going from left to right just a tad, so I'm going to fudge it over. We're back to shooting condition instead of testing, so we'll try to have some fun here. And these last couple shots, I'm going to make that little bit of a hole. Now let's bring her over and see what we got. One more here. Let's just finish this row. Like I said, we're losing our condition, so I'm going to make that same hold and see if condition holds there. No, I'm dead. Well, no, they're picking up again. I got just a little bit of a push, not that much. I think I'll hit just a hair, but not quite as far to the right. But let's see what we got. It kind of rose just a hair there, but well, I wish we could have finished on a good note, but that was a good test anyway. Well, hey. It's just kind of hard to say no, ain't it? Alright, let's see. Let's hold it right there. It's kind of turning back, so let's take it back over just a little bit right there. We're going to drop her down just a tad. I think that's pretty close to our original hold. But we've still lost conditions. It's still not, there you go. It's still not exactly what we had before. So anyway,